free at chefricardo.co.uk. Christmas is just around the corner, guys. Remember, look out for the Christmas rum fruit cake. And so we got the sorry dishes coming out very soon. Well, so far we have a nice recipe which is gonna come out very soon. Jamaican jerk turkey recipe. Look out for it coming very soon to you. I'm gonna show you how you can do a little tips and a little bit of different things for Christmas. Jamaican jerk turkey. Look out for the recipe from Chef.